Hey, what's going on everyone? Joey Contino here, and guess what today is? It is day number 3 of the Barefoot Country Music Festival, and it's roughly around 3 p.m. And guess what? It's time to head into the whole, I call it arena, but really it's just the beach, to go share with you guys everything going on. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them I can do fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links below. Also, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by Labor Day Monday, and I can only do that with your help. Anyway, I'm biking one-handed, so let me run. So we are officially on the boardwalk, and it is happening up here. For those who haven't been here before, the Barefoot Country Music Festival is located between the middle and third pier, or this is Mariners Pier, and all the way down there, that's Adventure Pier. With that being said, it takes up the entire beach because they expect tens of thousands of people on there every single night. This is a 4-day event. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Saturday. Last night, Blake Shelton was on the beach. We actually saw his private plane fly over the concert before landing at the Cape May Airport, which is pretty cool. Tonight, it's Darius, Rucker, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. But anyway, right now we're outside the gates. You can kind of see it right over here. Let's go inside. So here is the setup for this year. VIP entrance is on the left-hand side heading down. And then you've got the main entrance down here. They actually made it bigger because a lot of you guys complained. Now there's 3 ways to get on. You can actually see the gates here. The whole way of entering right here. Before it was just one little section over there. So we're gonna head down this way. A lot of people say, why do they have this massive privacy gate? Well, because then people would just stand here and block up the entire boardwalk. So this is actually a safety precautionary thing. And those who actually want to listen to the concert, you can hear this throughout the entire island. Like I'm in North Wildwood, you can hear it down there. For real, the sound really does carry. But over here, you're gonna enter in, and remember, it's clear bags. You have to have a clear bag. If not, you can't go in. This is the massive entrance now to get in. You can see it's not that bad of a line. And it's such a beautiful day. Yesterday was a little rainy. It looked like it was gonna open up, but right now, not too bad. And we are in, and everyone's in line to get in front of the Barefoot Country Music Festival sign. This is a legendary sign because, everyone comes in and they take their photo right here. It is going to be a loud day, so my microphone hopefully will keep up with me. If not, I apologize in advance. Here they've got 2 stages. They have one in the back right over here. That's a Jim Beam stage, and then you got the main one up front, the Miller Lite stage. That's where all the big performances take place, including Blake Shelton last night, and today, Darius Rucker. Right now, I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of the entire grounds. Starting here in the back and making our way through all the vendors. I think there's a Ram truck thing we're gonna check out, and then we're gonna take you to the front of the stage. This is gonna be a lot of fun. As soon as you walk in, you got some vendors over here, Planet Fitness, Acme, of course. You have to have Primo Hoagies, right? Then you can head over this way. There's a lot of lines for a lot of good stuff. Right now, these people are in lines for the New Jersey Lottery. You get some cool scratch-offs, and you could win some things and spin a wheel over here. So people are in line to see if there are gonna be some big winners. Let's see. Nah, looks like she won a hat. Pretty cool. This over here is a check-in area. They've got a couple of these that if you're 21 and older, you have to get a separate wristband. Every night it's different, so this one's a blue one. You'll notice that it says over your ID station. That's how you know that you're in the right area. We're gonna move over this way. You've got free peanuts. Boiled peanuts, look at that. I've actually never had boiled peanuts before. I always have mine roasted. You got Silver City, which is awesome because you get a cool mug. And I want to share with you what that mug looks like. You can see it up here. And you can come back here and get it refilled. Unlimited daily refills, not for the whole weekend. So every day you have to renew it for that whole concert day. But if you're here starting at 1 p.m. or even noon, you're definitely gonna want this. It's all sodas and Parades. You gotta stay hydrated. There's a lot of alcohol out here, but if you don't drink water, you're in a lot of trouble. We have some slushies over here, and one of my favorites is the axe throwing. I can't keep mine on the board at all, but it's a lot of fun to do. And look at these outfits. Oh my gosh, these are funny outfits. But here you can win TVs, PlayStation 5s, Xboxes. Guess you gotta get a bullseye. Yeah, check it out here. Let's see if anyone's actually gonna be able to do it. This guy's going here. Let's see, let's see. Oh, he's close. I don't know if you've seen him. Very close. And behind me is one of my favorite things to watch. It's bull riding because, let's be honest, they turn that thing up and people go flying. I'm not gonna do it, but it's fun to watch. Let's see, it's just gonna stay on. It's bull riding. I have to admit, it's so cool to see all of this on the beach. I mean, you're looking at country music, country stuff, and then the Ferris wheel in the background. So cool. So there's a couple bathrooms, because a lot of people asked me last time about bathrooms. There's a massive section over here, and then there's more on the other side. They clean them every day, so they're clean for every single show, don't worry. But next to the bathrooms is something that actually I had people request, and that is, can you show us the merchandise? Because there's so much cool merchandise, so let's go inside.
Next up is my good friend, Chad to win Boardwalk that has people that have spinal injuries.
So this merch tent is massive. It has everything, actually I have Eagles stuff, believe it or not, for Eagles Autism, which is fantastic. And I've got, this is the artist side stuff, so you got Lady A tonight, Drew Green, you got Darius Rucker, Lauren Alaina, she was on yesterday, Kid Rock on Sunday. It's gonna need Blake stuff because my sister asked for Blake stuff. It's in John Pardi, Lainey Wilson. And then over here, this is the Barefoot Country Music Festival stuff, and you can see all their different designs. That's pretty cool right there. Sand in my boots, drink in my hand. Their merchandise is on fire this year, honestly. And you guys make fun of me that I don't have a cowboy hat, and I told you. Go ahead, there's a P.O. box, send it to me. Like right now, I'm at least wearing my Wildwood shirt. You got the seagulls waiting for the curly fries. So at least I got that. Is that fitting for a country concert? I have no idea, but eventually I'm gonna have to get one because it's hot out here and you can tell I'm getting burnt. And they have their cowboy hats up there. That's actually a pretty cool one here. And they got towels. A lot of cool stuff. Next to the merch stand is a whole other section that I haven't even seen before. This is pretty cool. It's like a nice little hangout area. They got some lights for the nighttime. There's a Coca-Cola section. Oh, this is pretty neat. I like this little fence. Kind of want one of these for my house. But it looks like you can purchase Coca-Cola back here. Hard cider. Take a photo. This is a cool little like beer garden situation. We have a whole like, looks like this is like an inside tent area with live music we could check out. Let's go inside. Let's see. There's a whole nother barn here with a small stage. Stage in here. There's a whole bar in here which is pretty cool. On a side note, there's air conditioning in here. It actually feels really good, especially because it's so hot out. I'm really burnt, I know I am. Here's that famous photo wall that everyone's been taking photos at all day. There was a line here yesterday. It had to be at least 150 people. You got Culture City behind them, which is awesome. I don't know if you know this, by the way, guys. Read it, honestly. This is awesome for concerts. That's right. Great organization. They're the people who team up with the Philadelphia Eagles. So whenever you go to an Eagles game and you see a child that has the headphones on, that is that crew right there. It's honestly a great organization. I'm so happy they're here because there are a lot of children out here today. And we're heading back out to the Heart. We have tickets for the main stage VIP. We're gonna go over there in a second. But right now we're going into one of my favorite stores out here because there's a million different kinds of hats and clothing you can get in here. I mean, look at these hats. I love this one here. This one's a pretty cool one too. Oh no, I love this one. The kicker though is that you're supposed to load up your wristband with your credit card and all that so you can buy things, and I messed up on mine so it's not working and I don't have my credit card on me, so my mistake. But look at all these hats. This, oh my God, my wife would have loved this one. Don't tell her. And look at these hats. So many hats, different styles, different colors. And of course, you know, they're working on boots in the back. Gotta have the boots. You guys want to go to the main stage? It's right over here through the VIP section. So let's head in and share that with you. Before I do, I just want to show you the angle from here, because even if you don't get main stage, you still have some really awesome seats. So here's like the front lawn, I call it. Last year I watched Eric Church literally right here. But if you come early enough, you can sit right up front here and get perfect views of everything on stage. Right now they're line dancing. I know it's a little loud. Right here in front, this is the handicap. So if you're in a wheelchair, if you sign up in advance, you can head down this way and actually sit in the handicap section here. And this is a great spot to be as well, right behind the speaker. It's really loud though. And then if you want alcohol, they have it right next to you. So literally I hung out here and ran over this way, get your alcohol and all that, and then perfect view, heading right over. Got a speaker right here. I really want to take you to the front of the stage because guess who's coming on next? Lady A. That's right, you know, they're going to be singing a lot of good hits, especially what I grew up with, so I'm so excited to see them perform right now. But let's go ahead and make our way to the VIP that way. This is the entrance here for the VIP, and then there's another super VIP which is up there and it has like a buffet and all that in the back. So we're gonna head in this way. You can see which wristbands you need here. So let's go ahead and scan in. So in the VIP, you have over here, which is your own private bathrooms. And then you also have your own private like VIP/shopping center where you can go pick up all your merchandise on the left-hand side, and your own entrance all the way down there. So if you walk down Skellinger Avenue, you can enter on this side over here. If you can see that. And there's your merchandise tent. I know, you're not here to see this stuff. You're here to see the stage, okay? So right over here, we're heading up front. Can't get any closer than this, right? Well, I mean, technically you could, but how awesome, right? I mean, how awesome is this, right? I do have a little secret. So I'll be back in here later on tonight. Right now, let's go ahead and tour the other side, because we haven't done the other side just yet. I know, there's a lot to do here. We are on the other side now. You can see the stage behind me. On this side, this is the Blue Moon tent. So let's go inside, check it out. Looks like a nice relaxing area. We got a little bar over here. It's a cool place to hang out. Looks like they're doing tattooing over here. They've got a legitimate Blue Moon. And they have air conditioning. Oh, that actually feels really good. Yeah, I could enjoy this, ready? We're back outside. You got the cold brew iced coffee, Seaport Pier. They got pretzels too. I had no idea. Oh yeah, look at them make their coffees. Look at that. Woo, that looks good. The dirty banana is the best. Over here we got more beer and cocktails. There's another area you can hang out in. People are really starting to fill in. Some people will show up 3 hours early before the headliner because you got to get a good seat, and people get like sardines in here after a while. Believe me, Eric Church last year was insane. Last night was insane too. Actually, last night was the most people I've ever seen on the beach. It was awesome. But yesterday we put the drone in the sky to give you a bird's point of view of what the entire festival looked like. I called it Seagull, because you know, seagulls down here. Today is too windy, so I can't do that. But if you want to check out a daytime and nighttime view of what this looks like from the Seagull, I'll go ahead and link that in the description or in the corner right there. So this is the middle right here. For some reason, it seems like a lot more people are filing in on the right-hand side than the left. I like the left better, but you tell me. Right now we're heading this way to the food. This is where most of the food's at. You got pizza, ribeye, you've got different kind of sandwiches, you got Philly fried. something because it smells really, really good. But this I may have to try. See what this is? Grilled cheese and crab cake. Oh my god. That sounds good. For those who don't know, every single year we do a big Contino Crabbing Commission crabbing trip. Yes, we actually call it that, the Contino Crabbing Commission. And big crab party afterwards. I am the Crab King because we have a golden trophy. That's another fun video you gotta watch out. Google the Contino Crabbing Commission on YouTube. Check out some of our videos. It is goofy, so I may have to come back tonight and try that. I might. I will. Let's head inside.
All right, I'm looking for Alexa and Nick. Alexa and Nick, where are you?
Doing karaoke in here. It's so funny. So funny. Now we're going over here at the Jim Beam stage. Jim Beam over here. Actually, like this is a really cool like little setup for a tent in the background. Really cool theming. And before we go, I just want to go ahead and take you to the middle bar because it's pretty neat. The little section in the middle, the Miller Time, like Miller Light area, and you can see there's like a spot upstairs and downstairs. It's pretty neat. You can see what it looks like. You can hang up here for a little bit. Upstairs, I believe it's VIP. So you drop it in and you see where it goes. You want a bandana? So pretty neat, right? You can win something. You can see the line's very long. All the way down there. There you guys go. That is the Barefoot Country Music Festival official tour. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Honestly, you need a couple hours just to get through all of the events. I mean, whether it's doing a scratch off, doing the bull riding, the axe throwing, whether it's getting a tattoo or temporary tattoo, whether it's buying a hat and merchandise, whether it's playing a game, you name it. There's so many things to do here before the concert even starts. That's why they open the doors so early in the day. There's so much to see here. But in the comment section, let me know what was your favorite thing, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm starting to lose my voice, I know that, but I know that tonight I'm going to be screaming for Darius Rucker, just like I was last night with Blake Shelton. Anyway, as always, I'm Joe, as always. I'll see you on the beat. See you later. Bye.